Module 2, question number 1. Taking photographs in the mid 1800s was complicated and expensive. But this changed with the 1854 invention of the carte de visite, a small photo that cost little to make. Carte de visite photos helped to blank photography. They made it easy and enjoyable for everyday people to have their pictures taken, and people at the time loved exchanging these small photos with friends and family. Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Is it A. Weaken, B. Praise, C. Popularize, or D. Isolate? So, which should we choose? So, we need a logical and precise word, and we are talking about carte de visite photos. They help to blank photography. So, first they were talking that taking photographs was complicated and expensive. Then they used the word but something changed because of the invention of carte de visite. So, which do you think we should choose? So, if you said C, well done, that is the correct answer. Choice C is the best answer because it most logically completes the text's discussion of carte de visite photos. To popularize a technology is to allow it to be used and appreciated widely. The text explains that unlike the photos produced by earlier forms of photographic technology, carte de visite photos were inexpensive and could easily be obtained by everyday people who enjoyed exchanging the images. Therefore, carte de visite photos helped popularize photography. A is incorrect because the text indicates that instead of weakening the emerging technology of photography, carte de visite photos allowed it to be more widely accessed and enjoyed by people. B is incorrect. The text establishes that large numbers of people enjoyed using carte de visite photos, so it can be inferred that these photos caused photography to be praised or celebrated. However, it wouldn't make sense to say that inanimate objects, in this case photos, had praised photography. Instead, carte de visite consumers themselves would have praised it. D. Choice D is incorrect because the text explains that rather than isolating photography or limiting its availability, carte de visite technology made photography more widely accessible to people.